The objective of this part of the course is to produce drawings and tables that show details and finishes, and of course the concept of the project, but that those drawings can be taken to the client and the prototyping process can begin, because the research that they've done in terms of manufacturing possibilities has been fairly well covered and considered. So what is produced at the end of this course is makeable.
Now we are in the middle of the workshop powered by Molteni. As you know, Molteni is one of the best companies in furniture design. We started from a brief and now we are developing the product for the next catalog of the company.
This workshop gives us the knowledge how we can use the materials, the techniques, how we can develop our products. I think it's the best way to understand the Italian approach and Italian manufacturing process, and also the quality made in Italy.
I really like the workshop with Professor Bennett in collaboration with Tecno, but in general, working with the best Italian design brands is inspiring and challenging at the same time.
I think that the main goal that I put myself into this workshop is about transmitting a design method. More than to design nice furniture, nice products, I like to place challenges to students in order to have them react to what I've been showing them during the lectures. And I'm happy with the answer because they showed curiosity, they showed their creativity, their approach to getting to know products and getting to details.
This is something completely new to me, since it's a new approach to technology which allows me to match functionality to aesthetic in order to obtain the best design possible.
We are working with three of the best Italian brands in Italy that are Tecno, Molteni and Magis, with the technical support of three professional people that are Bennett, Fioravanti and Bartoli, to improve our skills and knowledge.
We decided to let the student face the complexity of developing a shape, and the idea was to choose a subject that was designing an object for Magis, actually a puppy, a small dog. Since Magis in his history created this icon, the puppy by Hiro Arnio, we decided to rework this kind of object, this typology, that could make quickly the students face some technical problems in developing objects for molding and plastic molding. In this case, it was molding with rotational molding.
So we are supposed to develop an abstract puppy for Magis, and the aim is not just the design but understanding rotomolding as a process and the drift angles and all the technicalities which go into it. And now coming into lab, creating an actual prototype helps us understand our design even more.
It's very nice to work in a group because we are helping each other and we are learning from each other's background. So it's working pretty well and it's very, very interesting.
When we use a real material to develop our ideas, we can adjust, we can modify, or maybe change completely the idea according to the result we obtain. And this is amazing for us.
For me, it's a really interesting project from Magis, because Magis has the two worlds of the children and the furniture in general, and I'm really excited to work with my team actually to explore the material in the lab and to transform the sketches to a real model.
This workshop improves our sketch skills and our creativity. This is my first time in laboratory. Using the machines and modeling our own design was so exciting, and the teamwork is preparing our professional life, and we are lucky to be part of this master program.
We think that during this master the students will learn and take experience of some tools of the design process, and hopefully they will bring back to their countries and into their own life this experience and these tools.